Being in an accident is usually an unpleasant experience, but here at Willis Collision, let us help you make that experience the best we can. Hi, I'm Josh Romick, manager at Willis Collision Center. If you are in an accident, call your insurance company, make a claim, call us at Willis Collision, we'll make you an appointment to come in, get an estimate. We work on all makes and models, and we work with all insurance companies. While the vehicle is here, we'll get our estimators out here. They will write a complete estimate. We will get that estimate submitted to your insurance company and make the process as smooth as possible. Once everything is approved, with your authorization, we will start your repairs and give you a safe and proper repair every time. After the vehicle has been completely torn down 100% to make sure we have all the parts needed to repair this vehicle, we order the parts are received, we fit them to the vehicle. Once we know everything is fitting correctly, we then send it to the paint department. They paint the vehicle in our downdraft paint booths with baking capabilities to have the clear coat dry within 30 minutes. Once that process is complete, we then go back to reassembly, where we finish the vehicle. Goes through our final quality inspection to ensure that we return your vehicle to pre-accident condition. And I just want to take a moment to fill you in on the services that we do provide other than collision repair. We do anything from paintless dent repair, small dings, hail damage, headlight restorations, minor wheel repair, and all collision damage. We have 2 Teslas here in our aluminum repair facility at Willis Collision. Aluminum repair is becoming more common. It takes special equipment, certified technicians, and hours of countless training to repair these types of vehicles. We are the only Tesla certified shop in the state of Iowa, along with Jaguar, Land Rover, and Cadillac CT6. We also are certified in Volvo, INFINITI, Nissan, Honda, and Acura. Not only do we take care of your vehicle, we take care of you, our guest. Come see us at Willis Collision Center.